you to smile. It was truly the best day ever. I'm having a blast doing this.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Columbia County in South Central Wisconsin, West Central Dodge County in Southeastern Wisconsin, until 3 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fall River, or near Columbus, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Columbus, Juneau, Fall River, Lowell, South Beaver Dam, and Leipzig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And their next line, free. Always no added taxes and no hidden fees. Start trading today. Visit
The National